Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you what is antibodies and how do they work. If this is the first time you have heard about antibodies, you may not know how important they are. They play a very important role in our body, in our immune system. Antibodies are one of the warriors inside our body, helping us fighting off nasty invading particles. They are a type of protein and a key component in our immune system. If a person doesn't produce antibodies in the body, the person will become very ill. So, where do antibodies come from? Let's find out. Antibodies circulates in our bloodstream and cannot appear anywhere throughout the body. Their main function is to recognize bad agents called antigens and then trigger further chemical reaction in the body to remove these antigens. So the question is, what are these antigens? Antigens basically are foreign substances that are capable of triggering an immune response. They can be viruses, fungi, bacteria, and some non-living substances such as toxin, chemical, and foreign particles. They can even be allergens like dust, pollen, or certain foods that cause allergic reactions. Antigens are produced in the immune system in response to the presence of an antigens. So, what do antibodies look like? Antibodies are also known as immunoglobulin. They are generally a Y-shaped protein consisting of 4 polypeptides, 2 identical light chains and 2 identical heavy chains. The term light and heavy simply means larger and smaller. The 4 polypeptide chains are connected by disulfide bridges. Here at the top of each arm, there are antigen binding sites. These are really important parts for attacking invading antigens, similar to the lock and key mechanism within the enzymes. The shape of the antigen binding site is specific to the antigens it's targeting. If part of the antigen fit into the antigen binding site, the antibody recognizes there is an antigen and bind it in. This stops the antigen from causing more damage elsewhere. 2 identical binding site means any given antibody can bind simultaneously to 2 identical antigens. Millions of antibodies with slightly different tip structure exist, with each variant binding to a different antigens. This enormous diversity of antibodies allows the immune system to recognize an equally diverse range of antigens. By binding in an antigen, antibody can stop the antigen from entering or damaging cell in our body. This is known as neutralizing. After this video, for the first time, you might have a better explanation what are antibodies and what are their functions. Thanks for watching Being Learned.